In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve unable to access Meta Business Suite with this account. If you're seeing that error when you try to open Meta Business Suite, don't worry. In most cases, it comes down to a browser issue or a permissions issue on your account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a few simple checks and fixes you can do yourself to get things working again. First, let's start with your browser. One of the most common reasons you can't access Meta Business Suite is corrupted or outdated cache and cookies. These are small files your browser stores to help pages load faster, but sometimes they get in the way of logging in or loading tools correctly. Go into your browser settings and look for the option to clear browsing data. When you do this, make sure you choose to clear cache and cookies. You don't need to clear your saved passwords or history unless you want to. Once you've cleared them, completely close your browser and open it again before trying to access Meta Business Suite. Next, it's important to use a supported browser. Meta Business tools generally work best on modern browsers like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. If you're using something else, like an outdated browser or an in-app browser from your phone, switch over to Chrome or Firefox on a desktop or laptop if possible. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, as older versions can cause compatibility issues. Then try signing into Meta Business Suite again in that fresh, updated browser. If clearing your cache and switching browsers doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your permissions. Even if you can log into Facebook, you might not have the correct role or access level for the business assets you're trying to manage. Open Meta Business Suite, and once you're in, look for the settings option, usually in the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to open your Business Settings area. This is where you can see how your account is set up and what level of access you have. Inside Settings, find your profile in the list of people or business users. Next to your profile, you should see an option to view details. Click on View Details. Here you'll see the assets you're connected to, like pages, ad accounts, or other resources, and what permissions you have for each. Make sure you have admin access for the assets you need to manage in Meta Business Suite. If you only see limited or partial access, you'll need an existing admin on the business to update your role and grant you full permissions before you can use all the features